Investing books can completely change the way you think about money. The best investing books teach discipline, patience, and smart decision making. In 2026, investors are focusing more on financial freedom than ever before. Reading investment books helps beginners avoid costly mistakes. Many successful millionaires started their journey by reading investing books. One of the best books to read is The Intelligent Investor. This book is often called the Bible of value investing. Benjamin Graham explains how to invest with logic instead of emotions. The book teaches investors how to analyze stocks carefully. It also explains the importance of long-term investing. Another amazing investing book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki teaches readers the difference between assets and liabilities. This book inspires people to think differently about money. It encourages financial education and smart investing habits. Many young investors begin their journey with this famous book. Think and Grow Rich is also highly recommended in 2026. The book focuses on the mindset and success principles. Napoleon Hill interviewed many successful businessmen for this book. The lessons in this book remain timeless for investors. A strong mindset is important for building wealth. Another must-read book is The Psychology of Money. This book explains how human behavior affects financial decisions. Morgan Housel shares simple but powerful financial lessons. The book teaches readers how emotions impact investing results. Investors in 2026 love this book because of its practical advice. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is another great choice. The book explains how to identify quality companies. Growth investors can learn valuable strategies from this book. The author emphasizes research before investing money. Smart investors always study businesses carefully. One Up on Wall Street is perfect for beginners. Peter Lynch explains investing in simple language. Then he believes ordinary people can become successful investors. The book encourages investors to observe everyday businesses. Many readers find this book easy and enjoyable to understand. Reading investing books regularly improves financial knowledge. Knowledge helps investors make confident decisions. Successful investing requires patience and discipline. Good books can save investors from emotional mistakes. Investors should focus on learning before risking money. The best investors continue learning throughout their lives. Books provide wisdom from experienced financial experts. Every investor should build a personal reading habit. Investing knowledge becomes more valuable every year. These books are essential reads for anyone serious about wealth building. In 2026, investing in 2026 is more accessible than ever before. Technology has changed the way people invest their money. However, the basics of investing remain the same as always. Reading quality investing books is still one of the best learning methods. A highly recommended book is A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Burton Malkiel explains the concept of efficient markets. The book teaches that markets are difficult to beat consistently. It promotes long-term index investing strategies. Many beginners find this book very eye-opening. It helps investors avoid unnecessary trading mistakes. And another important book is The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. John C. Bogle is known for index fund investing. This book focuses on low-cost investing strategies. It shows how fees can reduce long-term returns. The book is simple but extremely powerful. Investors in 2026 still rely on index funds heavily. Security Analysis is a classic work. This book is considered advanced reading for serious investors. It explains deep financial analysis techniques. The book focuses on understanding company fundamentals. It is widely respected in the finance world. The Essays of Warren Buffett is another valuable resource. Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors in history. His essays provide insights into long-term investing. The book teaches patience and rational thinking. Buffett's strategies are still followed in 2026. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is popular among young investors. Ramit Sethi focuses on practical money management. The book helps readers build automated financial systems. It is easy to read and very practical. Many beginners like its step-by-step approach. Investing books also teach risk management. Understanding risk is key to long-term success. Smart investors always diversify their portfolios. Diversification reduces financial losses. Books explain how to balance risk and reward. Emotional control is another important lesson. Fear and greed often affect investment decisions. Good books teach investors how to stay calm. Learning from experts saves years of mistakes. Consistent learning leads to better financial outcomes. Every investor should understand basic financial principles. Books provide structured knowledge for beginners and experts. Reading regularly builds strong investing habits. These books remain essential for smart investing in 2026. Investing success often depends on knowledge and patience. Books are one of the best sources of financial education. In 2026, investors have access to more resources than ever before. However, classic investing books still hold great value. A powerful book to read is The Warren Buffett Way. Robert G. Hagstrom explains Buffett's investment strategies in detail. The book breaks down how Buffett chooses companies. It focuses on long-term value investing principles. Readers learn how to think like successful investors. It is simple yet deeply insightful. Another great book is The Dhandho Investor. Monish Pabrai explains low-risk, high-reward strategies. The book is inspired by value investing principles. It teaches how to minimize losses in investing. The concepts are practical and easy to understand. Investors in 2026 appreciate its simple philosophy. Anti-Fragile is another important read. Nassim Nicholas Taleb introduces the idea of benefiting from chaos. The book explains how uncertainty can create opportunities. It challenges traditional financial thinking. Investors learn how to survive market volatility. Fooled by Randomness is also highly recommended. It explains how luck affects financial success. Many investors confuse skill with randomness. The book helps readers think more critically. Understanding randomness improves decision making. The Big Short is another powerful read. Michael Lewis explains the 2008 financial crisis. The book shows how market failures happen. It teaches lessons about risk and greed. Readers gain insight into financial systems. Investing books also improve analytical thinking. They help readers evaluate companies better. Strong analysis leads to smarter investments. Knowledge reduces emotional decision making. Investors must learn to think independently. Following crowds can lead to losses. Books encourage rational thinking in investing. Education is the foundation of financial success. Every investor should continue learning daily. Reading builds confidence in financial decisions. Experience combined with knowledge creates success. Smart investors never stop studying markets. Books provide timeless financial wisdom. These investing books remain highly relevant in 2026. Investing is not just about money, but also about mindset. Books help shape the right mindset for financial success. In 2026, disciplined investors are outperforming emotional traders. Learning from books gives a strong foundation in finance. A very useful book is The Simple Path to Wealth. J.L. Collins explains financial independence in a simple way. The book focuses on index fund investing strategies. It encourages long-term wealth building. Readers learn how to avoid unnecessary financial complexity. The book is perfect for beginners and experienced investors. Another valuable read is Unshakable. Tony Robbins shares financial advice from top investors. The book focuses on financial security and confidence. It explains how to handle market downturns. Readers learn to stay calm during volatility. Money Master the Game is also highly recommended. It contains interviews with successful billionaires. The book provides detailed investment strategies. It emphasizes long-term planning. Investors gain insights into wealth creation. The Richest Man in Babylon is a timeless classic. George S. Clason uses simple stories to teach money lessons. The book explains saving and investing principles. It highlights the importance of discipline in money management. Readers find it easy to understand and remember. Investing books also teach patience as a key skill. Wealth building takes time and consistency. Quick profits often lead to losses. Long-term thinking is essential for success. Books help develop this mindset over time. Financial education reduces investment mistakes. Smart investors always study before acting. Knowledge improves decision quality. Books provide real-world investment examples. Learning from experts saves time and money. Successful investors are lifelong learners. Consistency is more important than luck. Investing is a journey, not a race. Every investor must stay focused on goals. Reading builds discipline and confidence, and books also help understand market cycles. Awareness of cycles improves timing decisions. Good habits create long-term wealth. Financial freedom starts with education. These books are must-reads for investors in 2026. The final part highlights the most important investing books for 2026. These books together create a strong foundation for financial knowledge. Every investor should combine theory with practical experience. Their reading helps reduce mistakes in real investing situations. A powerful modern book is Principles. Ray Dalio shares his life and investment principles. The book focuses on decision-making frameworks. It explains how successful organizations operate. Readers learn how to think systematically. It is widely respected in finance and business. Another important book is The Alchemy of Finance. George Soros explains reflexivity in markets. The book explores deep financial theories. It shows how markets are influenced by perception. Investors learn advanced thinking strategies. Market Wizards is also essential. Jack D. Schwager interviews top traders. The book reveals secrets of successful traders. Readers learn different trading styles. It provides real-life market insights. The most important thing is another must-read. Howard Marks explains risk management deeply. The book focuses on second-level thinking. It teaches how to think differently from the crowd. Investors gain better risk awareness. These books teach both strategy and mindset. Successful investing requires continuous learning. No single book can guarantee financial success, but combined knowledge creates strong results. Discipline and patience remain key factors. Emotional control improves investment performance. Investors must avoid impulsive decisions. Long-term thinking always wins in markets. Books provide wisdom from experienced investors. Learning from history improves future decisions. Financial education is a lifelong process. Every investor should keep reading regularly. Knowledge builds confidence in uncertain markets. Smart decisions come from informed thinking. Investing becomes easier with experience and study. These books shape better financial habits. They help build wealth step by step. 2026 investors must focus on an education first. Reading is the strongest tool for financial growth. These are the best investing books you must read in 2026.